Stop guessing on why you're getting a resolve.exe entry point not found error when trying to open Premiere Pro. This is exactly how you kill the conflict without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or tell you to reinstall your entire Adobe suite. But here at Rexis, we know this is actually a path hijacking error, where Windows is accidentally looking at DaVinci Resolve's library files instead of Premiere's. Before we fix the shortcut, you need to understand the logic, or you'll just get stuck in a launch loop every time you update your drivers. We're going to do this hand in hand and step by step. So your editing software finally opens on the first click. The problem happens because both programs use similar DLL files for GPU detection, and your Windows environment variables have put the Blackmagic folder higher in priority than the Adobe folder. This is the authority fix from Rexis that guarantees your workspace loads properly. You might think your graphics card is dying, but that is a distraction. The secret trick that other creators missed is that you do not need to delete anything. You just need to rename the Pewtertech DLL file in your Resolve folder to Pewtertech old, so Premiere stops trying to borrow it during startup. Now, focus up because the dopamine hit of a working timeline is seconds away. Navigate to see Program Files, Blackmagic Design, DaVinci Resolve. Find that DLL file and add .old to the end of it. Next, right-click your Premiere Pro shortcut, select Run as Administrator, and watch it bypass the error instantly. If you follow me exactly, the entry point conflict is resolved for good. Comment below if you want to fix for the GPU initialization failed screen.